Dear traders, this video is going to be very special because today I am going to teach you about the volume trading in Forex. So there are a lot of volume indicators in the market, but I am going to tell you the best one which is definitely going to help you a lot in your Forex trading. Either you are trading crypto or any form of the trading market. So guys, it's a request, please watch the full video because you are going to enhance your trading skills today. Okay, before I move towards the video, so guys, first of all, I would like to share with you that today I have made the withdrawal from my Exness broker, and you can see this is the invoice and this is the withdrawal that is done on today's date, 27th of June 2022, and this was my net amount. So guys, I have done the withdrawal already, so I will keep on giving you the instructions about the Exness broker. So this is the best ever broker that I have joined from 2015. It is very honest and regulated, and the link is given in the description of this video. If you're having the problems with your broker, you can join this broker. Okay guys, now let's move towards the strategy, and the strategy is very simple because you can see that I have attached a very good indicator that is called the volume indicator. And how you can attach on your screens, just go into the indicator section and then write heat map volume. Okay, heat map volume, and this is by XD Cow, and it is 4046 downloads right now, right? Okay, so we will be using the two other indicators with this indicator so that they can be more beneficial to us and our strategy can become more powerful. And I have already highlighted about the previous indicator. So the second one is the moving average exponential. Okay, you will add the moving average exponential, then what you need to click on the blue line, go to the settings. Sorry, actually we can change the settings from here as well. So if we go to the settings, we can go into the inputs of the EMA that we have just added to our chart. Just write 200 into the length, and then into the style section, change the color to the yellow so that it should look visible to us, and then press OK, and you can see that the EMA is attached on our chart, right? The third indicator that we will be using is Parabolic Sar, and we don't have to change any settings of this indicator. Okay guys, so where the volume indicator helps you a lot, you know guys, sometimes it happens, look at this area, you guys get stuck with the trading. Look at this area, for example, even if you have taken a sell position or even if you have taken a buy position, you were stuck in a particular area because there was not a much volume into the market. This is kind of a good volume, right? You can see a very good upward trend is going here. We cannot see the market was ranging. So basically the volume indicator comes here, and it gives a chance to the beginners and the professional traders, because the beginners do not use this indicator. They do not have even idea, and they do not have even skill about the volume indicator. So if you are a professional, then you must know that the professional traders guys are using the volume indicator. That's a must indicator for them. Okay, now guys, now look at here. Have you ever thought that why the market is pushing into the upward direction and it is going very strongly? Look, so you can see different colors on the screen. So the like gray color and yellow one. Now you need to take care of the yellow one and the orange color if it appears on your screen. Now here you can see on this candle, below the moving average, we were into the downward trend, and then it has provided us that the volume is coming into the market. Then it was telling you that that the pressure of the bullish can come, but I do not advise you to take any kind of a buy position when the market is below the 200 period moving average. But you can see the volume came, and you can see the pressure build, and above the moving average this candle was closed, and then the market has simply went into the upward direction. So guys, what's the best way to trade it? So you can see that we have the Parabolic Sar. So once you are getting a signal from the Parabolic Sar, and once you see that the market is above the moving average, you can take this one. So for example, let's take an example. If the market was below the moving average and we have the volume indicator indicating us that the volume is coming, then we can that it is basically telling us that the pressure of the market is coming. So it will not be like the ranging pattern, so you can use this one, right? Let's have a look on gold. Okay, now look at gold. This candle turned yellow because the volume indicator pointed you this could be a best entry, because you can see that the candles are below the 200 moving average, and we have the first dot, blue dot from the Parabolic Sar. So this is kind of a trades that you can take with a volume. So this is the less volume. Look at here, this is the less volume period. So in this period, if you take buy positions and sell positions, you will get stuck with your trades, and even you will not be able to cover up the broker commission. So this is the best tool. If you are going to use it with the trading, then it will highlight you when the volume is coming. Let's go to the gold 1 minute chart. You can see on the 1 minute we have orange volumes as well. So orange volume means that this could be a big volume as well. You can see that market turned up and then it's going down. So below the moving average, you will take sell positions with the Parabolic Sar, and the volume will tell you about everything. Okay. So if you want to use this indicator on the other time frames, that's pretty fine. You can use any time frame. Here the volume was high, you can see the market pumped up. On Euro USD, we have already talked about it. Let's have a look on USD Jpy. Look, on USD Jpy, it has pointed you here that the volume is coming, and you can see we are into the downward trend right now. So USD CAD, let's have a look. Okay, it is telling you that we are having a very low volume into the market, so better you can avoid such pairs. So this is the 5 minute chart. Okay, on the British pound JPY, you can see it has pointed you that the volume is coming. You can see the next candles were pumped up. So this is the very good indication. Look, the volume is coming, it turned the yellow color on the candle, the market was above the 200 moving average, and you can see the candles have pumped up, right? So guys, this is a very good technique to trade the market, because you will not know that what is going to be happen. Like, you will be getting the advanced confirmation that something is going to happen big into the market. So for example, yellow candle turned, buy signal was running, then the signal got changed, and you can see a big drop on Great Britain pound USD. So guys, you can use this strategy from 1 minute to any time frame. This is not limited to scalping. This is also valid for swing trading. So always do your best to trade the market when there is a good volume into the market. Otherwise, you can take a rest and come into the next day for the trading purpose, right? Okay guys, one more time, I'm telling you that the Exness broker link is given in the description of this video. The best broker that I've ever used, and I'm making withdrawals with this broker, so you can also join, and that will be a support to the FX Mentor YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.